Hey guys, for years you've been watching me shoot videos out here, and lots of times it's professional gear, XLR, wireless mics. Well, right now I've been switching over to the DJI mics, and here's what they look like. This small little compact case holds a receiver plus a couple of wireless mic transmitters, and this is what it looks like. You can just clip this onto your jacket here. I'm just going to zip this down a little bit so you can see how easy that is to clip it on. So you got these two dongles in here. One's for Samsung, one's for an iPhone, and then you have the receiver plus your two transmitters. One right here. I've already got one clipped on. I just want to show you what they look like inside the case here. But we're going to pull this thing out and we're going to hook it up to our phone. All right, so I attached the little dongle onto our receiver, and we're going to plug this into the port on my cell phone. That's why you can't see it, because I'll be plugging it into the phone we're using to record with. But once it records and you put it on the Pro recording option, where it plugs into that port and you can access your USB connection, it will allow it to feed the signal from our wireless transmitter into this receiver, and we should get wireless service. Here we go. We have the receiver and the audio is running as we are talking right behind our setup, and the little dongle that goes into the port on your smartphone. So we have two different dongles here. One is for a Apple phone and another one is for the Android model. So either way, you're going to be able to hook that up into the port, and then here's your little icon at the top of the phone showing that the USB port's activated and we're recording using this system through our mic. If you don't see that USB port, that means you're probably not getting the recording directly through your transmitter and your receiver. So there, I'll hit the record button so you can see we are recording this stuff. One of the extra features it has is this little red button is indicating that we are also recording to this transmitter itself. So on some wireless mics, if you lose the signal, you don't record it onto your camera. On this one, it records directly onto this transmitter itself. That is a great feature that as a professional videographer for many, many years, if you lose the signal, you don't get it recorded. On this one, you can still pull it off and then overdub it back onto your track, and you will still retain all your audio. So that's really cool. Now, you can see in the transmitter here, the signal's going up and down. You can adjust these depending on what your gain, what you would like. If we had the other one plugged in, you'd see two tracks on there. But right now, we just have the single one plugged in. So that's how easy it is to get this hooked up. And now we're just going to record. But you can see how convenient this is. When you just have a simple cell phone, you got a wireless transmitter, and it's so much easier than carrying, a 5 or even a 10-pound package with your large camcorder, a bigger tripod to support it, the wireless mic systems, you had the cables and everything else. You can attach a cabled lavalier mic to this one as well. So if you wanted to, you could add in, let's say, your Sony, your Sennheiser, your Rode mics onto here and change that and still use some of your older technology. However, with the DJI systems, they do tend to like their own transmitters and record a little better. Some people have complained about a little hiss in it, so you're probably better off just recording with your DJI items. There's also a windscreen that fits over this, so if it's a little windy out here, you can also cut some of the wind, which is something nice that Pro Gear has as well. The DJI system has the following: a 250 meter or 820 foot range, 15-hour battery, noise cancellation, lavalier microphone inputs, windscreen, and other accessories to record audio for your PC, cell phone, podcasts, YouTube, and more. I give the DJI Mic 4.5 out of 5 stars for convenience and quality at a price that will make a lot of content creators and podcasters super happy. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Happy recordings, everyone.